Hello all, I am Naveenkumar Nagipogu, present working as research project assistant at IIC Bangalore in the Department of Center for Product Design and Manufacturing and as a project engineer at Desapex Engineering Consultants LLP. And I am a founding team member at Construction Aids. Let me first talk about the Desapex, where I am working as a project engineer, and also let me tell you recently I am working as a entrepreneur. You all heard of entrepreneur, right? Then let's come to know what is entrepreneur. See, irrespective of the organization, you are doing your own stuff, you are developing a product, or you are developing a service, or you are doing some innovation, something, or you are providing something, then it is called as entrepreneurship, your own stuff you are doing. And if within the organization only, if we are assigned or with our own interest, if we are developing a product, if we are giving a service of, or if we are trying to get some things done, then it is called as entrepreneur. Irrespective of organization, that is entrepreneurship. Within the organization, if you do something new, or if you bring a business, or if you develop any product or service kind of thing, then that is entrepreneurship. I am an entrepreneur at Desapex. Yes, and whatever the services Desapex is offering, same I am also going to offer. Directly, indirectly, I am trying to bring business to my present working organization, that is Desapex. Let's look into the Desapex portfolio and what are all the services Desapex is offering. Then we'll give contact information. As I mentioned earlier, present I am working as a BIM engineer at Desapex and also as an entrepreneur, that is BIM and digital twin consultant. In the architecture, engineering, construction and operations industry, of course we don't have any boundary, but in this time we are serving the AECO industry. And we have a team of young and experienced professionals and passionate about using the digital engineering. And the team consists of architects, structural engineers, civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical, sustainable, digital engineers and 3D artists. And also we have project management professionals. Like this, there are many people who are experts in various fields. And we are one of the organization which is the first in the world and the only one company in India to achieve a BSI kite mark related to the ISO 19650 part 1 and 2. The ISO 19650 is an international standard for information management when it comes to the civil engineering works and building information modeling. If you see, right now the industry is growing, the digital transformation is happening. What is digital transformation? Making use of the digital technologies, the tools and technologies is called digital transformation, nothing more than that. We no need to dig much deep, it is the main thing overall. So we are that kind of organization in the construction industry. With the use of digital technologies, we are trying to optimize the processes, we are trying to increase the productivity and efficiency also. Not only the construction activity but also the people. The traditional practices are good enough, but however, when compared to the other industries, still there is a gap. You take our sibling, I mean the mechanical industry, the manufacturing industry, really well developing and developed, right? When it comes to the construction industry, ours is least digitized sector. So it is time for that. Unfortunately, people are pressing upon the building information modeling. the virtual design and construction, the digital twin, and Industry 4.0. Of course, all these things comes under the Industry 4.0, that is cyber physical systems, where the first what happened, the man-to-man communication, the man-to-man communication and the human-to-machine communication, machine-to-human communication, then machine-to-machine communication, and from machine to human communication, cyber physical system. And in a network, communication happens between the machines and machines only. We just have to be there to give input. That is Industry 4.0. We are delivering services, keeping in the mind that what are the present tools, technologies, and what are all the futuristic things. And we are a data-driven company. It is very important to have a data to predict the future, isn't it? Then we offer really a range of services, and we categorized the services into three. That is digital design management, digital project management, and digital asset management. Under the digital design management, we are going to offer the building information modeling services, which includes the architecture, structure, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and 5 production services modeling. Not only 3D modeling, but also 4D. The 4th dimension time, yes. We will link the schedule, we will run the simulations, and we will identify how the actual planned and actually execution, and also end to end also. Then when it comes to 5D modeling, it respect to the cost, quantity surveying, the cost estimation and costing. Yes, we are providing those services also. And clash detection and coordination. After preparing a model which includes multiple disciplinary things, then we are going to run the clash test between the services, and we are going to identify in the pre-construction stage only, in the design stage only. Then when you need to waste much time on site while we are constructing our installation, isn't it? Then let's move BIM based pre-construction services. Whatever so far I explained, those services comes under pre-construction only. I mean, whenever we get the good for construction drawings or design intent drawings, we start developing the 3D models, and we will see the classes before it happens actually. Then coming to the digital project management, it is one of the 3 verticals of Desapex. Under this vertical, we are offering the services such as BIM execution plan development. For each and every project, it is really important that how you are going to move forward in the BIM. If you are making use of the BIM in your project, then what is the execution plan? Who is responsible for what? It will include so much information about both the employer, employee, the resources. And if you want me to talk in terms of ISO 19650, then the appointing party, lead appointed party, the delivery team, the task team, we have this hierarchy as per ISO 19650. Then digital information delivery plan, from actually it is applicable over entire life cycle, right from the conception, planning, designing, construction, handovering, and operations. It is applicable at each and every stage of the construction project. Then technical due diligence. It is somewhat new, right? Technical due diligence. It is more about technical feasibility of the spaces. Where do you live? Say for example, you are 10 people are there and you are living in 1 BHK. Is that sound? Is that make sense? 10 people in 1 BHK? No, right? How much amount of oxygen a person need daily? How much amount of water a person need daily? how much amount of space a person need individually, how much amount of light, everything will be taken into account, and we will audit the project or the site. We will take everything into the account, and we will be telling and reporting that yes, either the building is capable of taking care of 10 people or no. Otherwise, how many people can fit into like that? And setting up a digital lab. When I am talking about a digital lab, in this case, what we did, we do provide services related to the augmented reality, the virtual reality, and mixed reality to the clients. And we go to the on-sites and we will set up a virtual lab where people can come into the lab and they will be visualizing the whole project before even it built with the help of our AR goggles, VR goggles or MR goggles. I will be talking more about the augmented reality, virtual reality and mixed reality in the later videos. Now let's move forward. We do provide 360-degree photography, yes, and videography. With the normal camera, you will be able to take a picture one side only. Then what about your back and your surroundings? In the construction project, perfectly in the case of real estate projects, it is very important that we are digitizing their building and showcasing to the clients. Then only our real estate developer, say for example, take one apartment as an example. Say everybody click the pictures and keeps on the web. People will be viewing that 2D only. I mean 2 dimensions, either this side or this side, just like that one photo. What if we keep 360-degree imagery where the tenant will be logging into the site and will be able to track what is there in the 360 degrees? The user experience is getting increased, right? That is a good thing with the 360-degree imagery and the video production. And when you offer this AR, VR and MR, wow, it is going to make a huge impact. And there will be a huge queue before your apartment. And these are the range of services we are providing. And let's move to the next one, that is digital asset management, where we are providing the scan to BIM, laser scanning to the building information modeling. It is applicable to the buildings which are already built to the built environment. We do have the laser scanners such as BLK 360, RTC 360, Trimble X7. So we take the scanners to the site, we scan, we will get the point cloud data, we will process the data and we will get a registered data. Then we will be developing a 3D model out of that. No matter either you want architecture, structure, MEPF, we will be able to deliver that. And it is really well suited for the renovation projects, interior fit outs, and also historical buildings and museums. I hope you got my point. Then energy and maintenance management, CMMS, and asset management. Actually, we partnership with one of the Finnish company who are expertise in the digital twin technology, that is Grandland. And we have a special program, a software called Grandland Manager. So with that we will be delivering or offering the service related to the asset management. So this kind of services we do deliver, and apart from this also we do provide BIM training, we do conduct BIM webinars and workshops. Overall, these are the range of services which Desapex is offering. And I am an entrepreneur at Desapex. You can contact me if you are looking for these type of services. And it's okay, whether you are my client or not, it's okay. But if you are a student, you have I will be giving you one opportunity really. Construction leaders. We build professional leaders for the construction industry. Actually, the construction leaders is a platform which is designed and developed for the civil engineering society. No matter either you are a student, professional, 30 years experience, industry expert, you can contribute to that or you can gain out of it. Say for example, I am working in the BIM industry. I know a little bit about the building information modeling. If I want to contribute, how I can? I can. There is a way. Simply reach out to the admins of the construction leaders, that is either Naveenkumar Nagipogu or Rajakumar. Shoot an email or drop a message in the LinkedIn or in the WhatsApp. Do you know? We do have a WhatsApp community ranging from 8,000 to 10,000 people. And so far we have interacted with 30,000 students, and we do have teachers, professors, more than 100 in our groups. And also we are providing some job offers through the construction user platform. We do have HRs in our common groups. They will be sharing the vacancy list and the opportunities. We are having one community. Then why you are waiting? What you are waiting for? Log into www.constructionleaders.in and register there for free lifetime membership. Then everything will be landing into your email. Done.